So I watched a press conference kind of thing whereby President Donald Trump was making the threat to either like tariff Mexico or put up close more wall. Obviously we're doing that, and of course the threat is to completely close the border. It just started raining. It's like only a rain cloud. Let me just show this to you. It's really cool. This is Manatee River. Because Mexico, China's like bringing in like fentanyl and stuff through Mexico. It stopped raining already. Although, actually now I'm getting some more rain again. I can hear it. Hey. And the threat is, what I mentioned, because the big issue is fentanyl. Yeah, obviously heroin and pot and all kinds of crimes from these people coming across that specific border. But the issue is fentanyl. So I don't know if anybody's even talked about this, and I think I have, but people don't realize what you're dealing with when it comes to fentanyl. Yeah, it's a very toxic, addictive, dangerous drug, but you wonder why it's so common right here in America. Duh. This is what they're using in the epidurals, y'all. Children are getting hooked on this stuff probably, before birth, like whether it be seconds or minutes or hours, whatever the case is, So, and in my cases, we love, and birth is supposed to be joyful, and there's this conception out there that birthing is painful, and that's just fake news. Birthing is to be orgasmic and joyful, and just, wow, the baby's here. I've been waiting so much for 9 months. Is playing with the baby in the womb, and now fentanyl stuff that they're using in the let's talk about joy and health. The issue is these hospitals, these doctors, these people that are scaring people about birth.